Hi folks, I'm Larry from Dr. M Enterprises Handyman Services here on the east side of Oahu, where I work, live, and play. Today's project is the ceiling fan installation. Here are tools and materials and pictures of the tools. I'm just getting ready to install the new mount for the fan. Once the fan mount is attached to the ceiling, then you can put the fan motor into place. Seems like there's a small problem there. Now I've got the motor in place. Putting the outer casing around it. It takes 4 screws to hold that up. Next part is getting the fan blades ready to go. In this case, each fan blade has to have 3 grommets put into it, which are not really easy to put in, but with a little work you can get them in there. So we've got 5 blades, and so we've got 15 of these grommets to put in, which is a little time consuming. Get one side in, and you're gonna make sure the other side's in also. As we get these grommets in, then you have to attach a bracket that holds the fan to the motor. That's what it looks like when we got them all in. Once we've got them all in, we can start putting the blades on the fan itself. 2 screws to a mount around the circle. They're a little tricky to get on when you first start on them, but once you get more blades on, it gets easier. Now we're installing the lighting system. There's a bracket that holds the lights themselves. It has to be screwed to the motor. A lot of these fans won't run unless the lighting plug is plugged into it. Without plugging it in, a lot of times they won't run. Some will, most don't. screws are very small. there you go. The lighting fixture's on and it's running.